Okay, now you've got your NAS done. Now we're going to draw our Lewis structures. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to determine the central atom. And most of the time this is our least electronegative element. I've made these easy for you though. It's always your single guy on the ones I gave you. But just remember, hydrogen is never your central atom. Okay, so here we've got 1 boron, 3 chlorine. So I'm going to choose boron to be my center. And he is the least electronegative out of these two. And I'm going to attach 3 chlorine around them. Okay, so I'm just going to put these around my boron. And then, according to our NAS, between these 4 atoms, I'm going to share 6 electrons. And how do I represent a shared pair of electrons? I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to put little dots out there so you know that's a shared pair of electrons. Okay? So here's my skeleton structure: 1 boron, 3 chlorine, and 6 shared electrons. So I've got that much. But I need a total of 24 electrons. So I'm going to go back to these numbers here. Boron only needs 6 electrons to be happy. Okay, and he has his 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chlorine, though, each one of these chlorines needs 8 electrons to be happy. And right now, each chlorine only has 2. So all these chlorines are going to get some unshared electrons. Now, how do I represent unshared electrons? By pairs of dots. So here's a pair of unshared, another pair, another pair. Okay, so now I've got 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I'm going to do this chlorine over here. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. And this chlorine, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's count up our electrons. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 24 total electrons, and 6 of those electrons are shared. Okay, so there is my Lewis structure for this boron trichloride. Okay, we will look at the next structure in the next video. If you have any questions about this, let me know.